Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of RV Quick Tips with Mike, your #1 how-to source for all things RV. Hey, today I want to talk to you about a neat feature, being able to take your television from the inside of the RV to the outside of the RV and watch out on the patio. Jayco makes it easy by providing a bracket that has universal mounting locations to put on the back of a TV that you provide, mount it in here in the bedroom, pop it off, take it outside, watch it on your patio. I'll go through the few easy steps it takes to accomplish that. So Jayco makes it easy for you to do this by providing a universal mounting bracket in one of the drawers or cabinets when you get your new RV. I've already installed this one on the back of this TV and I've offset it a little bit. You can mount it on this side or center on it, doesn't matter. I've just popped it on here somewhat randomly. Once you do that, put in your coax cable connection. Of course, you got your power cord here from the TV. And the next step is just to pop it up on the bracket on the wall. Take this guy up here. What I'm going to do is align this bar right in there, okay? Just like that. And we're secure. Now all we have to do is make our connections. Bring your coax cable up here. And plug into our power right here. And we're good. So we can see how it works. Great, we have television in here. Now, if I want to take the television, move it outside, watch my favorite program outside on the patio, just do it in reverse. I'm going to unhook the coax cable, unplug the power, reach back here, and it's going to be like this. I'm going to release this little spring-loaded switch on the back side of the mount, okay? Reach back here, you can feel it, release it, comes right off. Now I'm going to take it out to the patio. Then when it's time to bring the TV out on the patio, we simply line up this bar with the top of the bracket, like so, and it locks into place. Then all that is left is to do our connections. Bring the coax cable over here, thread it in, and our power cord goes in here. And we turn it on. Now we can watch TV. And there you have it, folks. It's just that easy to have television inside and outside. So make sure and check back here often for more RV Quick Tips with Mike, your #1 how-to source for all things RV.
Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions, be sure to drop a comment below. Or if you have any suggestions on content you'd like to see, we'd love to hear about that. Go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again from VOD RV.